Welcome to Mercury Marine 450R project kickoff. Let's give it a minute for everyone to join in. Okay, let's start the meeting of 450R Mercury Marine engine. We'll start this meeting with the agenda. The agenda is the company overview, project overview, stakeholders in the project timeline, estimated results, foreseen risks. Mercury Marine. Our mission is fueled by our passion for the water and our customers' boating experience. We provide the most reliable and intuitive propulsion solutions and are committed to the best partner for our stakeholders. Our vision, delighting customers by providing the best engine and propulsion solutions for the world's most demanding environments. Along with this, we have the integrity with which we conduct ourselves at the highest level of ethical standards. We do what we say and say what we do. With the customer centricity, we listen to the customers and provide them with the superior products and services. Sustainability, where we promote the use of resources in both development and manufacture of products. With service leadership, we provide innovative, high-quality products and services that deliver reliable, easy-to-use solutions and drive passion for our brand. We foster a culture that promotes excellent performance through safety, continuous improvement, teamwork, inclusion, and growth. Mercury 450R comes with a 4.6-liter V8 4-stroke engine. It is 300 pounds lighter when compared to the 400R model and comes with a supercharged performance which is done by inspired engineering and gearcase options. Designed and developed in-house and manufactured in Wisconsin on a dedicated Mercury Racing production line. The 450R is based on the same 4.6-liter V8 powerhead used for the normally aspirated Mercury Racing 300R outboard models. The Mercury Racing applies its supercharging expertise to extract incredible power from the V8 engine with a twin-screw supercharger delivers pressure charging with zero lag for instant throttle response. Inspired engineering? You bet. The exclusive Mercury Racing Advanced midsection features heavy-duty stainless steel guide plates and stiffened engine mounts that stabilize the outboard and enhance high-speed handling. For the gearcase options, you have the surface bearing Sportmaster gearcase designed for boats capable of speeds in excess of 85 miles per hour. Features low water pickups and crescent leading edge for maximized efficiency. And the 450R application, a stout new one-piece 1.25-inch diameter of stainless steel propeller shaft has been designed. With this, what are the advantages we get? That is 40% more torque when compared to the 400R model. Then, moving on to the stakeholders, we have Chris Dries as the CEO, Mike Gyoruk as the VP of Global Operation, Regulus Black as Chief Engineer, Shaif Oman as Project Engineer, Sharon Norbury as Project Manager, Aaron Samuels as Supervisor, June George as a Supervisor, Karen Smith as a Supervisor. Project timeline. We are looking at the task and duration here. For the initial BOM, we are looking at 6 months. So it was based upon the entire 400R platform. So adding initial BOM lines with all the feedback and the design changes we have, it would take up to 6 months. Then there comes the prototype manufacturing, which usually takes for around 1 month. And then comes the prototype testing for 1 month. Then there is a task for the change management where we get the feedback and the results from the prototype testing, and the changes which we quite need to implement would be 3 months. Then moving on to the G1 phase where we start the actual manufacturing, it would be 8 months for the initial volume. Then there would be the testing of the entire oiling of the engine, running the engines on the idling power and everything for 2 months. Then there comes the M1 phase where do the entire packaging where we attach the propellers and everything, make it into a complete one unit, and to do that, to make it onto the assembly line, it would take until 8 months to complete entire production. For the testing, then moving on to the testing of the whole unit, it would take 3 months. Here we have to do the testing in 4 different waters, that is pond, lake, river, and sea. So the alkaline percentage would be calculated for the corrosion of the materials which we are using, especially for the propellers. Then we do the launch with the marketing and everything for 2 months. Estimated results. Though the operating earnings rose from 109 million, this is like 7% increased up to 120 million from the year before, still the Mercury posted a quite significant 6% of increase from the third quarter. So from 588.2 million in the last year, we are expecting a 625.7 million of US dollars in the next upcoming year for the 450R project. Risks. Mercury Marine has been granted exclusions from Section 301 tariffs for its 300, 400 and 450 horsepower Mercury Marine engines. These engines are assembled by Mercury in China and sold globally. Estimated net pre-tax tariff impact in 2019 is to approximately around 17 million to 22 million, down from the estimate of 30 to 35 million provided in the recent earnings of our third quarter. The exclusion requests were reviewed and approved by both United States Trade Representative and the US Customs and Border Protection. CBP have approved the exclusion request for these 3 classes of outboard engines, which are very popular choices for fishing and family boating activities. It is good for consumers as well as American manufacturers. I hope that the trade issues would lead to the imposition of tariffs and subsequent retaliatory tariffs can be resolved quickly and amicably between US and its trading partners. So by this, we come to the end of the project kickoff. Let me know if you have any questions and feel free to meet up with your team and supervisors and see what all the next things to be done. Thank you.